little vocal scoops. What's going on, my friends? What's going on, Jaratones? Everybody, I'm glad y'all are joining me for another vocal breakdown, vocal analysis. And I have been thinking about this song for quite a bit. And I'm like, you know what? I want to talk about this song. I like this song. And she's new to this channel. I haven't talked about her here yet until now. We're going to do it now, y'all. So let's dive in and watch this thing.
I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way.
I like the scoops on the I. I know I have good judgment and I know I have good taste. And everything's kind of breathy right here until that very last line. She gets a little thicker and takes the breathiness out of the voice. But most of this line right here, most of the stanza that we heard so far has been breathy until that very last line.
Promise them that you're different and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't.
But just don't. So that was like a speech-like sound in her singing. But don't. There wasn't like a specified pitch. It was just kind of like a speech-like throw. Don't, right?
I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell them it's just.
I heard that you're an actor, breathy with vocal throws. Ah, na 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 na. Then it got fuller. Ah, na 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 na. Na 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 na. You see, so she's going in and out of that breathiness in that thick folds or thicker sound, I'll say, here. So it's going more intermittently, as before at the beginning, it was all kind of breathy there.
It's your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know.
It's just your culture. Some more speech-like sounds, some more talking within her singing, right? That's what I'm talking about, those speech-like sounds that I keep referring to, like those little moments in her verses and stuff like that.
All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. And please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice.
I love the little vocal scoops in this vocal line here. They're kind of quick, but they're very present, and everybody's doing the vocal scoops, the background singers and her, so it makes for a unified, cohesive sound in the little scoop ups and the throws that they do. And I think I know one of the background singers. Liv, is that you? I analyzed her several times. I'm sorry for you, girl. But the please was really spread. Please, 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 please. And there's almost like some added thickness to it by way of how they're making the sound resonate a little bit, and maybe a little more of a raised larynx. Please, please, please. Instead of please. You see when I let go of the larynx, it kind of diffuses the brightness a little bit. Please. I kind of narrowed the vocal tract and raised the larynx. Please, please, please. So I feel like that's what she's doing right here, or some semblance of that is happening when she's singing those pleases.
Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another.
My ego, vocal flip, little yodel flip. My ego's another. What's some more vocal throws?
Beg you don't embarrass me like the others.
Embarrass, a little vocal fry moment. Embarrass me like the others. When you go down to that like the others, it kind of gets darker. I feel like her larynx kind of comes back down, gets more longer and taller in the jaw and in the mouth shape here. Me like the others. Okay, so she has more of that bright ping on the please, please, na-na-na, me like the others. So she's going through a lot of different colors and a lot of different textures in her voice in this song here.
Please, please, please. But I have a fun idea, babe. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice.
Ceiling fan is so nice. She's really using a lot of parts of her voice. Da-da-da is so nice. Even in the speech-like moments that she has in her delivery, in her performance here, she has like a little scoop there.
We could live so happily if no one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding.
Da-da-da, you with me. Da-da-da, you with me. Heady, heady, chesty, chesty.
Really, really, really. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right.
see her tongue? Please, please. Her tongue is sitting up a little bit right there. Please, please, please. That's going to give you a brighter sound too when you have that tongue sitting higher. The blade of the tongue is a little bit higher. It's going to give you brighter sound too.
Don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me like the others.
She had like a vocal fry on set. Right there. That's interesting.
Please, please, please. If you wanna go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me.
If you want to go and be stupid, don't do it in front of. Those some more vocal throws there. She does a lot of that. This kind of gives me a little country a little bit.
You don't wanna cry to my music, don't make me hate you perfectly. Please, 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 please.
These are breathy. Please, please, please. Instead of please, please. Those are the other ones. Here it's please, please, please. It's still more of a raised larynx and maybe narrowed vocal tract, but it's breathy. Please, 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 please. You see what I'm saying? I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed watching it with y'all. And as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware. But most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much. I will see you soon.